Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be unboxing this, but let's go and get right into this. So this is by Lulu The Piggy, and it is the travel set. So on the side, it'll show you all the different ones that you can get, and they also do have like some specials right there. Let's go ahead and see what we actually got. So we're gonna open this up. I love doing like unboxing type videos. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, I see some more stuff in there. So this is gonna be a mystery. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, that is so cute. So I got the little parachute piggy. How stinking cute is that? That is so cute. Oh, my kids are gonna love that. So it tells you, it comes with a card that tells you about it. Comes with this little card. And then it comes with this, I guess, is to set it on. How stinking cute is that? So the pig is very soft, and then everything else is plastic. So cute. So that's the little guy that we unboxed today. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.